going, but I should just feel safe in the town of Tayug. But we will live here, I get a good job, and then we'll be good. But this is not what we want. We want the things to last. You are a child, not I. You see goats where there are none. Oh, Mr. Navarro, please, come in. Johnny, Mr. Navarro's here. Yes? Mr. Navarro's here. Oh, you want to talk about your problem, huh? Okay. We are only private. I want to go some tea. I'm on here! No, you're not. You were easier to love before. You were with them. Because they didn't tie you. Fighting and not a thing. You and your heirs, you feel like you're better than everyone else. How can you bear to live with someone like me, heirs? I don't want to go to heaven. Will you rise?
You're hiding too. It's true. It's not hard to realize. Just look into.
Yes, but there are other days in a week, another town. Oh no, you're not fooling me, are you? And if I am, Norma will be there too. I'm not waiting for Norma this time. May I wait for you here on Saturday? Dear Emma, don't. I would like to wait for you. Don't do this to me, Rene. Are you afraid? This is a catastrophe. Are you afraid? Yes. Let me give you strength. How about Norma? Am I to be like Norma? You're not Norma. There is a big difference. Difference? Yes, a big difference. You are Emma. I love you. Perhaps I could love him. Perhaps I love him already.
Slip inside the eye of your mind. Don't you know you might find I got a lot to say to you. Yeah, I got a lot to say.
How about Norma? Am I to be like Norma after all? You're not like Norma. James! James! Action!